Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasyapi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kayau kepala trip ru kum ke International Trade Fair. Kalaya Lynti mentala arpos Snem kanti. Ban penya yau yikimar kimata hakani ke jela Meghalaya. Balawara na kaleng kiri ke pertai. Kani kayau ke Jingpynlong hamadan yau renghab halai mkra Shillong. Kala kering iki bobon kinong susnong kani kanong ba Shillong. Ban tiet iki tiar kitar. Balawara na kaleng kiri pat nabari ru kumjo. Hakani kayau ke bakham kering ya kakhmat jong kinong tiet nong pen. Kadai ke jingdi ke jingbam bakham per. Balashet de kijai bendreo jik pat kiri ki baju ya dan benta. Banyeshe menta hakani kayau ke basisin Snem. Na ka Jingpynlong igini kayau dagi spangot kisamla jong kasnong lai mukra. Kelaya okam yu jam haman laki kaya baju Jingpynlong yakani kayau ke basisin Snem. Om tang ba kisamla kayu okam yu jam. Hende ki bor penyat ki ju airu ya ke health insurance. Se kisamla ki baju dan benta banyerap penyat yakani kayau. O Vice President jong ka International Shillong Trade Fair. Urajes Das hak jekren bat ke Batisi TV. Ulai to banadu balas dang yakani kayau mentau Snem hak kat sau trek benai leber. Lasaki ya jingwan to jik pai ba nong the nong pet hikimar kimata balawara negeri Afghanistan, Netherlands, South Africa, Thailand, Bangladesh bat Italy.
Organizing this exhibition in Madaniurenga. This fair is organized with the active support of Government of Meghalaya and National Small Industries Corporation of India, Ministry of MSME. Some of the welfare activities which we have undertaken in Shillong and in Laimukra are: we have donated an ambulance in the locality. We have distributed free computers to some meritorious students of Limukra. We have built a toilet in the Madan Uringat. I think all of you have seen and used the toilet also. That was built by ITFA. We have given free books to some of the deprived and poor students of the locality. We have also joined hands with the football club of Limukra. We have tried our level best to help them, support them in winning championships. We have also, the ITFA has also joined hands with the local Dorbar in celebrating Christmas over the last so many years. You will also be happy to know that we have sent two meritorious students, one girl and a boy, to Thailand on a educational exchange program. So our organization feels very proud and very happy that we as an organization has succeeded in doing such kind of work for the locality. We have many more ambitious projects in future for Shillong, for Meghalaya, and we are also very happy that a lot of younger boys and girls from the locality have been working with us since the last 20 years. Some of them have started working with Thailand companies from Afghanistan, companies from Netherlands. In fact, this fair has become a kind of a platform for interaction between the local people and the foreign traders, entrepreneurs, businessmen who have been coming here regularly. We have also, apart from this, you will also be happy to know that we have given insurances to the boys and the girls who work with us. We have been giving these insurances for the last 3 years. And we have organized a health camp also 2 years back in the ground, which was attended by more than 300-400 people. It was a day-long health camp. This year also a very prominent hospital from Guwahati, that is Excel Care, has participated in the fair. And this fair is the most important exhibition in Meghalaya, which has played a very important role in promoting the local entrepreneur, skill development. Because if you visit the fair, you will see that we have more than 50 stalls under the banner of National Small Industries Corporation Limited, that is NSIC. They have been participating in these fairs regularly. We organize interactive session between these entrepreneurs and the foreign participants who are participating here regularly. In fact, there are some success stories also where the local entrepreneurs are exporting product to these foreign countries. So I think Shillong Trade Fair has played a very, very important role in Act East policy, which is specially, designed for the development of Northeast India. Apart from that, Shillong Trade Fair is the first exhibition in Meghalaya which has invited foreign countries to this part of the country. Because before this event there was no participation from any foreign countries in Shillong, and today you see more than 10-11 foreign countries participating in this fair. Thailand is coming in a very big way. Bangladesh is coming in a very big way. Netherlands has started participating from last year. Italy is there. Afghanistan is there. South Africa is there. Turkey is there. So many. Egypt is there. Egypt has come up with some very, very attractive. Sri Lanka, Ghana. I mean, this is the pioneer event in Northeast India, which has invited foreign participants to this part of the country.
More than 50% of foreign participants.
Yeah, more than 50%. And basically that's why but people in people in Meghalaya call this fair as the mother of all fairs. We are happy that there are many new fairs which are being organized in the Ïaid. Impressed by and influenced by this Shillong Trade Fair. So, apart from, as I've already said, apart from being a trade fair exhibition, simultaneously we have also been involved in social welfare activities. We can take pride in this because we have personally gone and met the industry minister of Bangladesh once. We have met the industry minister of Thailand to start flight from Guwahati, and today we are happy that we are having direct connectivity with these foreign countries. But the facility provided by us to them is as good as any other participant. They are also supported by National Small Industries Corporation NSIC because they are participating under the banner of NSIC. And moreover, we give free stalls to many local poor entrepreneurs also. There are many entrepreneurs from Naimukra area. There are some whose products are very, very competitive but doesn't have money. In such special cases, we give them free stalls.